Most sellers focus on the wrong upgrades and leave money on the table. I'll show you what actually changes buyer behavior and what just feels productive. If you're thinking about selling your home in Atlanta in the next 6 to 18 months, this is one of the most important things to understand early. Not all improvements increase your net profit. Some just make you feel busy. The mistake I see sellers make all the time is assuming that more work automatically means more money. That's just not true. Buyers do not pay for effort. They pay for clarity, they pay for condition, and they pay for confidence. So let's start with what actually moves the needle. The biggest profit drivers are almost always the least exciting ones. Paint, flooring, condition, lighting, and cleanliness. All those matter more than just renovations, okay? Neutral paint, consistent flooring, and bright spaces. All of these reduce friction for buyers. We're talking about reducing friction. So when that friction goes down, your offers go up. And another major driver is how the home feels the first 30 seconds someone walks in. That's curb appeal, that's your entryway, and that's your sight lines to the house. Buyers decide how much they like your home faster than they even realize. And that first impression influences everything that follows. Pricing strategy is also a huge factor. Homes that are positioned correctly from day one with their pricing consistently net more than homes that chase the market down. Overpricing and reducing later almost always costs more than it saves. Now, let's talk about what usually does not increase net profit. Big kitchen remodels that are personal to you, bathroom overhauls that have some things in there people don't need, and highly personalized upgrades like that. So these projects are expensive, they're time consuming, and they're personal to you. Rarely do they return dollar for dollar when you sell. They might look impressive, but buyers discount them because their tastes are different than yours, okay? This is where sellers lose money. They invest improvements that feel valuable but do not change buyer behavior. What actually increases net profit is simply reducing uncertainty. When a buyer feels confident about condition, layout, and price, they move faster and negotiate less aggressively. That confidence comes from smart prep, not expensive upgrades. So here's how I help sellers think about this. Every improvement should answer just one question. Will this make more buyers comfortable making a strong offer? Not will this make me more money or can I get this done really quickly? Will this make more buyers comfortable making a strong offer? If the answer is no, it probably doesn't belong on your prep list. This is also why timing matters. The earlier you start planning, the more selective you can be. Rushed sellers overspend and prepared sellers choose wisely when they renovate. So if you're even thinking about selling in the next year or so, the smartest move is getting a clear plan early, not a list of projects. You need a strategy. So if you want help figuring out which improvements will actually increase your net profit and which ones you should skip, call me or text me directly at 404-906-5857 or go to robsmith.com and choose Sell. Answer a few questions there and my team and I will help you build a plan that makes sense for your home and your goals. Selling well is not about doing more. It is about doing the right things.